guys, my name is Gauri Bandre. I'm an intern at LEXIS and Company, and my topic for today's discussion is contract and essentials of a contract. So we'll see in today's chapter what is a contract, how a contract is formed, and what are the essentials to form a valid contract. To begin with, contract is defined under Section 2, subsection H of Indian Contract Act of 1872, which says that any agreement which is enforceable by law is said to be a contract. So contract is actually the last step of the whole process. To understand contract in a better way, let us see each and every feature step by step. First is an offer. Okay, so basically for any contract to start with, it needs at least two people, one who is offering something and other who is accepting something. So first will be offer, second will be acceptance. To understand it in a better way, if I A offer B to sell my house at certain amount, so B will then accept my offer. So first is offer and second is acceptance. Third is promise. So the offer and acceptance will then form a promise. This promise is based on consideration, right? Means I am offering B that I will sell this house at this amount. In return, B is promising that he will pay me that certain amount. So it is formed on basic consideration. This consideration is then converted into an agreement. So what is an agreement? Agreement is defined under Section 2 of subsection E, which says every promise and every set of promises forming consideration for each other is an agreement. Now the agreement, if it is formed on a lawful object and with a lawful consideration, then it will be said to be a contract. To form a contract, there are certain essentials which are important to be fulfilled. First of which is an agreement. As I said earlier, there must be an agreement. Second is legal intention. So if, for an example, I am inviting B for a dinner at my house, okay, now I am inviting B with no legal object. There is no any hidden meaning or any contract which will keep B obligated that okay, if you won't come to dinner at my house, then I will sue you. That is not the case. So if it is not formed at the first place with the object, with any legal object, then it won't be obligated under law. Third is free consent. It should be on the basis of free consent. So anything which is formed on the basis of undue influence or coercion or mistake or misfraud or misrepresentation, then in that case it won't be validated under law. So next is competent or eligible to the contract. So who are not eligible to the contract? One, who belong to a minor age, that is who are under 21 years of age. Second, who belong to a category of unsound mind, means the people who are of unsound mind are not allowed to perform any contract. Third, who are obligated under law to not perform any contract. Now next is lawful consideration. So there must be a lawful consideration. As I said earlier, if I'm offering B that I will sell my house at this amount, then B should promise me that okay, he will accept my offer and will give me money which I have demanded for. Sixth is lawful object. There must be a lawful object. Seventh is should be valid under law. What does that mean? If I am offering B that I will sell you cocaine for this amount, then is it valid under law? No, it is not valid to sell a cocaine to anyone in that case. So it won't be validated under law, hence it is void from the beginning. But if B any which ways accept my offer, and in that case if I cheat on B, then B won't be able to get any compensation because the contract was void and it is illegal under law. Eighth is capable of performance. That is, a contract should be capable of performing. Okay, it shouldn't be either wagering or contingent contract. What is wagering contract? Which is dependent on an uncertain event. If I offer B that okay, if it rains today, I will give you 100 rupees, then in that case it is dependent on an uncertain event. It is not validated under law. Next is contingent, means based on bet. If I am betting that if B falls, I will give you 100 rupees, then it is invalid because betting is not legal under law. Ninth is must fulfill legal formalities. So last but not least, there are certain legal formalities which are essential to be fulfilled, like it may be of a witness to be present while signing a contract, or to provide certain affidavits, or verification or stamp papers. Then in that case it must be fulfilled because it is essential under law. These were some of the essentials to form a valid contract. If you fulfill all the essentials, then your contract will be said to be valid under law. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thank you.